Hey there, Beautyistic fam. Today, we're talking about a product that promises to stay put through it all. The Smashbox Always On Longwear Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Stepping Out. If you're looking for a long-lasting waterproof matte lipstick that won't dry out your lips, this might just be the one for you. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. This liquid lipstick comes in a sleek, easy-to-apply stick format, which I love. It's designed for all skin types, so whether you've got dry, oily, or combination skin, it should work seamlessly for you. The finish? Matte. But we're not talking about a dry, uncomfortable matte. The formula is supposed to stay flexible and comfortable while still giving you that perfect, bold matte look. Let's talk about the key features. First, it's long-lasting. Smashbox claims this liquid lipstick will last up to 8 hours without fading, bleeding, or feathering. It's also waterproof, so you can sip your coffee, kiss your loved ones, and eat without worrying about touch-ups. Sounds impressive, right? I've been testing this product for a couple of days now, and here's how it fared. First off, application was smooth, with no tugging or skipping. The color Stepping Out is a beautiful rosy neutral, perfect for everyday wear. It glides on evenly, and I didn't notice any streaks. The texture is comfortable at first, and it dries down to a matte finish that stays in place throughout the day. What I really love about this formula is how it manages to stay matte without sucking the life out of your lips. No cracking, no dryness, just a smooth, long-lasting finish. Plus, I really appreciate how it stays in place even after eating or drinking, which is a huge plus for someone always on the go. But let's get into the pros and cons. On the positive side, it's definitely long-lasting and smudge-proof, which is a game changer for matte liquid lipsticks. The color is gorgeous and flattering, and it doesn't dry out your lips like some other longwear formulas. The packaging is sleek and travel-friendly too. However, on the flip side, while it's comfortable, it's not as hydrating as some other formulas I've tried. If you have very dry lips, you might want to apply a lip balm beforehand to prevent any discomfort. Also, because it's a matte finish, it can sometimes feel a little stiff after it's dried down. As for value, considering the price point, I think it's a solid investment. You're getting a long-lasting, smudge-proof formula that doesn't require constant reapplication, and it's from a reputable brand known for high-quality products. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are some affordable alternatives out there that offer similar wear time and comfort. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sturdy, and the lipstick applies smoothly, but it's not a product you'll need to replace every month. The longevity of the formula means you get a lot of use out of it, so it should last you quite a while. I haven't had any direct experience with Smashbox's customer support, but based on the brand's reputation, I expect they'd handle any issues promptly if you needed assistance. Now let's talk about some alternatives. If you're after something similar, but more budget-friendly, I'd recommend looking at Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink or L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick. Both offer similar wear time and comfort, but at a lower price point. So, after all that, what's my final verdict? The Smashbox Always On Longwear Matte Liquid Lipstick definitely lives up to its claims. If you want a matte lipstick that stays put, doesn't dry out your lips, and is versatile enough for daily wear, this one's a solid choice. But if you have particularly dry lips or prefer a more hydrating formula, you might want to pair this with a lip balm or opt for a different product. If this review helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our honest reviews. And hey, if you've tried this lipstick, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.